Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to choose the view name for your Google Calendar homepage. If you go up to the top panel, you're looking for this little drop-down menu right here. For mine it says 2 weeks, but if you click on the down arrow, you're going to get this menu that appears. And what this menu does is it allows you to change the view of your Google Calendar to meet your needs. So if I click on day, it will show a view that only includes that day. I can click on week and it will show me the whole week. I can click on the month and it will show me the whole month. I can click on year and it will show me every month for a whole year. And I can click on schedule, which is just going to outline the different events that I have. It's not going to include any empty days. It's just showing me events that are actually on the calendar. Or I can switch to 2 weeks. That's my default view. And while I'm here, I can determine, do I want to show declined events? Am I interested in knowing when those are, completed tasks, or appointment schedules? If you don't want to see any of those, you can just unclick them. I have show weekends as a default behavior for all calendars, so I don't think I can check that off here. But if I turn that off in settings, I probably could. All right, so that's how you find the view for your calendar that makes the most sense for you, depending on how often you need to look at events that are in the future. But that's how you can select it.